Hi everyone. In this video lecture, I would like to discuss daemon threads. So daemon thread is also one special type of thread which provides services to other threads. So this thread is not an independent one. So daemon threads are running internally to provide services to some other threads, and it will be terminated along with the threads which are taking services. So daemon threads provide services to other threads. Okay, so whenever the threads which are taking services from daemon threads terminate, so with along with those threads, daemon threads also terminate. Okay, so daemon threads do not work independently, so those always provide services to some other threads. Okay, so we know that daemon thread is also a thread. Then how can you make a thread as a daemon thread? How can you make a thread as a daemon thread? So using the method set daemon. So set daemon is the method that converts a thread to daemon thread. Okay, so it is going to take one boolean value. We know that boolean values are only two, that is true or false. So if the method is called like this, so this is the thread. So empty dot set name set daemon true. That means this thread, empty thread, becomes a daemon thread. Suppose if you call the same method by passing false as an argument. So if there is false here instead of true, then empty becomes a non-daemon thread. So if you want to make a thread as daemon thread, so call the method like this by passing value true. So if you don't want to continue the thread as a daemon thread, so you can call the same method by passing false here. Okay. Next, suppose if you would like to know whether a thread is a daemon thread or not. Okay. So there is a special method called isDaemon. isDaemon. So you can call this isDaemon method, and this method returns boolean value, either true or false. So this isDaemon method must be called by a thread. So like empty dot isDaemon. Empty dot isDaemon. Okay, let me show you. Like this isDaemon. Okay, so if you call the method like this, empty dot isDaemon, then it will return true. If the thread is a daemon method, it will return a true. See the return type. It will return true. If the thread is not a daemon thread, then it will return false. Okay, as a real-time example, let me discuss this. When you observe JVM architecture, Java Virtual Machine Architecture, which JVM is also a program. So in this program, when you observe the architecture, so you can observe garbage collector. So garbage collector is a part of JVM program, so which is nothing but a thread. So garbage collector is a thread. So garbage collector thread runs along with JVM program, and it provides services to JVM. Okay. So garbage collector is a thread in JVM that provides services to JVM, and the garbage collector terminates. Garbage collector terminates along with JVM automatically. Okay. Thank you.